Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe something that you taught to your friend or relative. You should say what you taught him or her, when it was, how long it was for, and explain how you felt about it. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So before we jump on to the answer that I have created for you people, let's brainstorm few ideas. This is a pretty straightforward question, right? Describe something that you taught to your friend or relative. So it can be as simple as a skill like maybe teaching a game like badminton or cricket, maybe cooking or helping someone browse through computer, teaching them about computer skills, right? So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you people. The primary objective of teaching is to impart knowledge and wisdom that helps learners to acquire information, competence, or virtue. And today, I would like to talk about a time when I educated my cousin about yoga and meditation. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly conveying what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase, I would like to talk about a time. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year my cousin's board examinations results were declared and unfortunately she did not pass out with flying colors and was quite depressed. So here the phrase which says pass out with flying colors means that she did not score well. So instead of saying that she did not score well, we kind of used a idiomatic phrase here to communicate the same meaning, that is pass out with flying colors. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, she was also not engaging in any physical activities and hence gained a lot of weight due to her sedentary lifestyle. So, sedentary basically means when you are sitting for long hours, when you are not involving in any kind of activity, you are just remaining seated for a long time. So, you can also add this to your vocabulary list, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can also use it in your conversation because words like this will enhance your band scores for your lexical resources portion in your speaking test. Alright, so let's continue. Furthermore, I made her aware of the immense benefits of yoga and meditation and how it could reduce stress as well as promote mental and physical relaxation. Additionally, I taught her some easy yoga postures that she could practice on her own to get rid of her excessive weight, along with the regulated breathing patterns to combat stress and anxiety, and my sessions continued for about a couple of months. So as you all can see, we have already covered the first 3 questions, which was what you taught him or her, when it was, and how long it was for. However, we still have the last question remaining, which is explain how you felt about it. So let's continue. Finally, I felt on cloud 9 as I was able to help my cousin become fit as a fiddle while at the same time also contributing to her overall well being. So, as you all can see, we used an idiom which is felt on cloud 9 instead of saying I felt quite happy. So, it's an idiom that you can also add to your list and you can use it when you want to say that you're extremely happy or pleased. Another one that we used is fit as a fiddle, which means to stay healthy. So instead of just saying which helped her to stay healthy, we use this idiom. And all these will enhance our scores for the lexical resources part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.